Okay, I want to do a quick video to cover a new exciting feature that we've added to Label Connector for QuickBooks Online Edition. As you know, you can search on both items and on invoices with QuickBooks Label Connector to do printing of labels. So what we're showing you here is where you can today, with our new batch printing feature, you'll be able to print all the items off of an invoice or a bunch of items all in one print job by using our download and print utility, which what we have is a downloadable utility that you can just download the job for all of the items on your order, and the utility will pick up that file and print to your designated label printer on your local machine. So what we're going to go through here quickly is just how to, from the Label Connector user interface, so basically you would just query your invoice, pull up the items, and press download and print. But before that will work, you need to download and install our batch printing utility. So we're just going to walk you through the quick install for that, because there's a couple steps. You do need to set it up on the local computer in the tray to get that to work. So we're going to go ahead and just press the download button for that, and let that come down, and then we'll run that, and then let's go to the desktop here. Okay, Accuware Incorporated, run that anyway. Go ahead and install. Sometimes at this point now it's going to take a couple minutes, not a couple minutes, couple seconds for this to download and install, so we'll just wait for that to occur. It's downloading. I can tell by the mouse is checking. Okay, so it's begun the install, and it's just a rudimentary standard type of an install. Going ahead, proceeding with that. Okay. After some drum roll and delay here, we've got that installed. Now, there is one additional step that people could miss, is you need to just run it here, and we're probably going to try to see if we can eliminate that step, but just go ahead and just double click that to execute the program. It's already installed locally, but to get it to appear in the tray here, you just have to execute it here or from the programs list up here as well. You could do it that way. But once you've executed that one time, it appears here. Okay, so then it'll also kind of now be in your tray applications. So you can right click on that, and we'll pause that for now. Go to the settings, okay, and you'll want to select your designated printer that you want to use for printing labels. I was testing with this printer, and then you can leave this default path, but in case you for some reason ever wanted to download to a different folder, you could do that. And then this is the interval of how often we're checking to print labels. So that's it. Save those settings. Go ahead and then just go to it. It's already started, so we'll just run that, and it's already processing jobs. You see that in the background. I had a couple jobs already downloaded, so it's processing those automatically. So it's going to check every 3 seconds, so now just from the user interface for QuickBooks, if you just select download and print, okay, it wants me to select a label design to use. That's normal. So we'll do the 4x3 invoice label, download and print. So this file will wait 3 seconds here, and you'll notice it shows it here, but after 3 seconds, see it processed the job. Now you'll see that that file, yeah, it's doing a third job here. And see, that file's already been removed. So you can see that that's gone ahead and just removed that file because it just scooped that right out of the downloads folder, and those labels have already been printed on my machine. So so this is just mainly to just show you how to download and install the client-side utility that we've added. So if you had a large order here with many items on it, we'll go ahead and just print the entire order using these quantities. Okay, so if you were to change the quantities in line, we'll do that. You can select or unselect items from the list here. So if you want certain items not to print the label, you can unselect them here as well. So great update here for QuickBooks Label Connector 2020. Hope this helps out with your getting more labels done much more quickly in Label Connector. Thanks.